We're going to talk a little bit about how to create an iMovie. So when you open up your iMovie, I have mine open already, you'll have the purple symbol. So if you'll go to the rocket, and when you go into the rocket, you'll see all your utilities and things of that nature, and your iMovie is the purple page here. So when you open up your iMovie, it looks like this. Now this one has some things already been worked on it, but yours may be blank. First thing you have to do is get some video. So you're going to go to the import button here at the top, and that's where you're going to get video from. Now you can get video from other places. There's a desktop button. If you click the desktop button here, you'll see your screen shows all your desktop files and things of that nature, screenshots. It's unlikely that you have any video there, but if you do, you can pull some from there. So if not, you need to go to your FaceTime HD camera, and you'll see the camera come up. Now, your picture will show on there, and then you will click the record button. The record button will light up red, okay? Your picture will be in here. I'm in a very dark room, so you're not seeing anything because of it's disabled. And then you will look here at how long it's recording. Oh, there I am. And so then once you finish recording with whatever you need to say or do, you're going to stop the record button. And when you close this, it looks like it disappears to your iMovie library, and you scroll, you will see all the things that you're working on, and your video will appear in this area. Okay, so here's a picture, some video here that I've previously done. So once I decide the video that I need, I can create a new movie. So up at the top next to your import button is a new button. I'm going to choose a movie. Now here's an area where you have a lot of options as far as themes. You can pick no theme. It gives you a little bit more control, but as a new user you may want to pick a theme. This just controls kind of what comes up on the side, how the titles come up, how the transitions are done for you. You can pick a theme. So I'm just going to pick a theme. I'm going to pick the neon theme. Now the play button is going to do a preview and show you what it would look like. You don't have to do that. But once you pick one, it highlights, and you're going to go down and hit create. You're going to name your movie. I'm going to just name it Playing to Show. And you can change dates if you need to, whatever you need to do. And you're going to hit OK. And when you do, you'll notice that it pops up into your working projects. Now, you have to make sure that whatever one you're working on is written right here. So we can see that this is blank. There's no seconds in it because there's nothing in it yet. So now we have to put things in it. So once you have your recordings, they'll show up here. You're going to copy what you want by just highlighting yellow, and then there's a little button at the bottom that comes up plus, or you can take and drag it to your movie area. Now, notice it automatically puts in whatever the title that you name the movie in into the banner here. This is like the opening title. And notice how it's all over top of my pictures. It's showing the whole time. You can't see anything in the background. You have control over that. You can squish that around, make it very short, so it just shows for a second or so. This white bar is what shows you. You can drag it for your previews, and you can look in the screen here and preview what is going to be showing here. So we can add multiple things, more video if we would like. We can add transitions. Notice these little boxes here. These are preset transitions because of our theme, but we're welcome to add more. So when you click on the transition, those are things that change one clip to the next in a good manner. So like when we used to use PowerPoint, we would have transitions between slides. So you drag it down to this transition box, and you'll see a green circle. When you let go of that green circle, it's now changed that transition. So now when I play my preview, it now changes the transition to that circle opening. Now to see that more clearly, I can go back to the movie library, and I can even add the same clip again if I want to in the same movie, if I wanted it more than once, or if I wanted it longer, I could also do that. Now, this one is my daughter's computer, so it automatically recognizes who she is, and it puts her name in there. Now, if I want to change those names or change those titles, I click on